What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
I was in my country taking a shower. I was going to open the door to go out. My cousin come in, she don't touch the door, and I put my phone with my clothes like in here. She pushed me and she dropped my phone on the floor. I told her mom to fix it. She say, no, it's not too much. Why do you need your phone and things like that.
Don't worry, I got you.
Tócale. Yeah.
Time to fix this back glass. Surgery time. This is hard to remove it because too many cracks. One more time, laser. cleaning time. Glue time. I'm gonna clean all these broken glasses and replace this water sealed with a new one. Your phone is ready, miss. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Looks like new again.
Yes, it is. It's not broken anymore. I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last.